Jack Welch, the famous former CEO of GE, is quoted as saying, "Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others." We agree that helping to grow and developing others is a key role of a leader, often forgotten, as discussed in my earlier video. But the activity most commonly ignored by leaders is the need to continually develop ourselves, regardless of our role or title. The key is to identify our strengths and development areas and use those strengths to harness the development of the areas where improvement will have impact on our emotional intelligent leadership. Leadership and Emotional Intelligence Accelerator Tool, the LEAPA for short, provides a precise defined plan for behavioral change tailored to the individual's role within your organization. Using the best practice in a 360-degree format, LEAPA identifies and compares the individual's habitual leadership styles to those which will have the greatest positive impact in the organization. Specific behaviors to change, producing significant performance improvements, are pinpointed, delivering a framework for action. As a managing partner of an international consulting firm said, LEAPA made a strong contribution to improving my self-awareness and provided an excellent tool to identify very specific areas I could work on to improve my leadership. When should you use LEAPA? LEAPA should be used firstly for individual leadership development, for board, team, and group development, and as a part of a culture change program. Also, it could be used to build trust and reduce conflict. Feedback on the report is provided by the leadership certified coach and normally takes around 1 to 1.5 hours or maybe even 2 hours. The candidate then discusses with his or her raters, including the managers, and identifies 2 or 3 specific behaviors to be worked on and completes a behavioral action plan. As a CEO of an international NGO said, LEAPA is incredibly helpful in learning how others see the leader and pinpoints areas of change and development to maximize their effectiveness. LEAPA offers its greatest value when combined with ongoing coaching and development. So your action for today is conduct a free self-assessment on the mobile app Leader Shaper, which is available on the Apple and the Google Play Store. Second, identify 2 or 3 behaviors that you will work on improving. Thirdly, identify your leadership style that you most use and the one you will start using more of. With this, we come to the end of our 7-day challenge. I had a great time, and I'm sure you would have found the learning extremely useful and relevant to you as a leader. Congratulations on taking the first step in becoming a robust, emotional, intelligent leader. To go through a more intense journey, best of luck and happy growing as a leader.